going on YouTube? Right now, I'm going to do another print today. I was hoping to do a few more, but realized the filament was coming out the back end and my cat was playing with it, which probably was not a good idea. Although technically it's 100% biodegradable, but anyways. So I've got this thing on Thingiverse called the Bamboo Labs Carbon, well, they call it the poopy shoot. We're going to print this. Probably not going to go and run around. I'm going to set it up in the Bamboo software. We'll do the slice, and then I'll bring a time lapse. I think I'm going to start doing the time lapse a little different because it kind of just shows one object, which maybe it'll work perfect for this one. But the camera kind of, when it does the time lapse, doesn't do the whole thing. It shortens it as well. So let's get started. All right, so I have downloaded it. I'm going to open it up. A Bamboo Studio. We can close out of this. And I'm zoomed in, so hopefully it's a little easier to see. So, if I full screen it, yeah, that'll be good. Okay. So, whoa. So we got the poop shoot here. This is pretty simple because this is pretty much already set up and was printed on X1 carbon. So it's going to probably be a pretty short video. Don't really have to do anything over here. It picks up the cold plate PLA. I did take off the hot glue. I had issues with it not sticking on the hot glue. Had no problem sticking on the plate. So like this stuff right here, no issues when it did this initial stuff. But when it did the first layer over in the middle where the hot glue was, the first layer was crap. So we're going to try it without hot glue. Maybe it'll just fall apart. So we're going to hit slice plate, and it's going to run through up here, and it'll show you where it's going to put the base. So red's touching, and I'm not sure why it's right up here, but and then we've got the little first layer stuff. And pretty simple. We're just going to go to print plate. And I'm going to leave everything on there. I wish I could do something other than that time-lapse thing. It's probably not going to give me other information. And I've only got one printer. And I've only got one spool still in. So I'm just going to send the printer. And once that starts, I'm going to step away, and then we'll be right back. Successfully sent, and actually we'll see what this might even be better. We should be able to go live. I did install the media player for Windows, so we are seeing the feed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute my picture and mute my mic, and I'll let this thing sit here, and maybe I can use this as a time lapse because this will be the full video. We'll see how that works out. So we'll be right back. All right, our print just finished. I did have to change the reel of filament out because it did run out. Super quick. Just figured out which color I wanted. Popped the top on the AMS, put it in, stuck the filament down into the extruder, and then it just took it off, spooled it up, just hit resume on the printer, and we were off and running again. So it took about 7 hours. Yep, 7 hours and 38 minutes. This is the end result right here. Maybe this isn't actually going to be that bad with this camera, but I will hit it right now with this guy so you can see better close up. It is a big print, but it came out really good. A few boogers right under here. But other than that, I mean, you can barely see the lines. Got a few, see that little line there, but and this will go actually just like that on the edge of the printer. Here, I'll take you out there. We'll walk out there real quick. Oh, it's cleaning the bed. You wash it in dish soap, or they want you to use detergent. But let me put this down. All right, this guy just goes right like that. It shoots right back there. So just so you have an idea. So right like that. And to do the filament change was easy. Just pop the reel out, and you just stick it in here, and then I just pressed resume right on the keypad. So let's go back in here, and I guess I'll just flip this around. Hopefully you all can see me in the video here. It looks like it came out really well. I like the quality. I did try to speed it up while it was already going. That was a big no-no. Kind of boogered a little bit, but once it resumed, it kind of fixed itself. So I'm gonna say good night and call it a video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Wood out.